If you're a business person looking for ways to automate your business so that you can save time, save money, and actually enjoy doing business, I'm going to be doing a series of videos that will take you through how to automate every process of your business. And in today's video, I'm going to show you within a few minutes how you can automate your sales process so that you don't have to do everything manually. You just have to send people to a funnel and the process is automated. My name is Anne. I help businesses in digital marketing and business automation. Now I'm going to take you through how to automate your sales process. We are going to practically create a squeeze page, show you how the process of taking your audience or your customers through this from the squeeze page all the way to up to upselling your product. Let's get started. So we're going to be using the Systeme.io, the number one tool in an all-in-one automation tool provider. And this video is not by any way sponsored by Systeme.io, but I've interacted with it and have confidence with this provider. All you need to do is use the link that I'm going to leave below at the description or at my bio. Please sign up using my link. That way I'm going to get a small commission and you'll be supporting me. So once you sign up, it's actually free to sign up. You can get started at any cost. You will go to your dashboard and then come to funnels. We want to create a funnel. So select create funnel and this will open. So give a name to the funnel that you want to create. Say so when you become a paid member, you'll be able to put in your domain, the domain that you'll have purchased probably from another provider. And then if you want to build an audience, probably you have a freebie that you want to give away to build your email list, you select that. If you have a product or a service that you're selling, you select that. You can custom make your funnel from scratch or run an evergreen webinar. So in our case, let's start with sell a product or service. And then here, select the currency that you want to be using or to be paid with. Save. Then to bring you back to the funnels, come to your left and click on the funnel's name. Now, we said we want to start with the squeeze page. This is where you bring in people and give them a brief of what they expect and the results that they expect once they purchase from you. And so we begin by creating a squeeze page. So we can remove these ones. Can remove that or just leave it there for now. So the first thing that we're going to do is add step. So we're going to give it a name. You can call it anything that you want to, that will show that it's the first page. You can even call it a squeeze page. And then select so that we can see what kind of templates we're going to get. So let's select squeeze page, then save. So these are the squeeze page. You realize that Systeme.io has a lot of templates. It's done for you. You don't have to pay anyone to do this for you. you can do it for yourself. Okay, so let me select this. You can preview to see how it looks. Okay, so you see you already have a pre-done for you template for the photographers and expert planning. So you just need to go in and do your editing. So we're going to select this. This is good for a squeeze page. And this is the link to your squeeze page. This is what now you'll be sharing with your audience. And this is where the journey begins between you and your audience. So we want to edit this page, and so that we can put in whatever information that we want. So just click on edit and then come here and edit anything that you want to edit. So again, this lets you collect emails. So when someone's read this and they feel that probably there's a giveaway, there's a it's called a checklist that you want to give out, you can just give it out at this point and get your prospect's email address. Let's go back. So from the squeeze page, we want to send people to the information. We want to send people to the information. Sorry, we forgot to save. So this is what we selected. Okay, and then we add another step. We call it the info page. So this is where people will learn more about us. So this is our sales page. So this is where we put all the info about us and the steps that they need to take, maybe to get the offer that we currently are running. There's quite a number of templates that you can just scroll and look for. So just go through the provided templates and you'll be able to get something that suits you, and of course edit it to whatever suits your business. So now we have the info page, we have the squeeze page, and then now we have the order form. So again, for the order form, just go there and give it a name. Then look for one that is good. There's quite a number of templates, so just select one and then also do the same with the thank you page. So you can always reorder this by long pressing and dragging. So here is our funnel. We have the squeeze page, we have the info page, we have the order form, we have the thank you page. If you want to upsell at this point, you can actually add an upsell funnel or an upsell page. Okay, so it's a simple, easy to do sales funnel that anyone can do regardless of how long you've been in business, whether you're just getting started or you want to move your business to a friendly, affordable, and easy to use system like the Systeme.io. And you just need to go in and just edit the templates that are there. Now, in the next series of videos that I'm going to be creating, I'm going to go in and actually edit out all these pages and link them so that when your audience goes to your Squeeze page, you're able to collect their email address, and then it takes them through these other steps until they pay, and we send you the thank you page. You can actually upsell to them at that point. So at this point, all I need you to do is to use the link that I'm going to leave at the description or through the bio. Please sign up using my link. I'm going to get a small commission, and I'll appreciate. And then we're going to go through these together and automate your business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.